Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, here to share with you our latest series, a series on Floral Design Color Theory. Yes, it's going to be just grand. Today's issue, an overview of color theory. And then in future issues, we'll look more closely at the individual harmonies and the theories that go with it. Join me as we study color and learn new ways to create gorgeous floral designs, incorporating the theories of color used by artists worldwide. The basis for our studies will be the traditional color wheel. You're probably already familiar with this, but just as a quick reminder, the color wheel is made up of 12 colors, 3 primary, the red, yellow, blue, 3 secondary, your orange, your green, and your violet, and then 6 tertiary or intermediate colors. This is where you get into your yellow-orange, your blue-green, your red-violet. Those 12 hues make up the color wheel. And then as you study color, you use this wheel to combine colors into different harmonies. And that's where we will begin. The most common harmony, and one that everybody uses day in and day out, would be the monochromatic. When you look at a monochromatic harmony, it's all one color. So this one with the blue-gray can be tints, tones, and shades of that color. So light, dark, and medium, but it's all one color. So you just pick one, like red-orange, and you say, okay, I'm going to use that. If you add white, it becomes a tint, and it's a lighter color. If you add black, it becomes a shade, it becomes a darker color. You use all 3, the tint, the tone, the shade, mix and match them, but staying within the one hue of the red-orange for monochromatic. When you look at the color wheel, you'll notice there are triangles drawn on here. That creates a triad. Anytime you use 3 colors equally spaced on the wheel, it's a triadic color harmony. So red, yellow, blue, most common, but also orange, green, and violet. That creates a triad. Or it could be yellow, green, red, orange, and blue, violet. 3 colors equally spaced is a triadic color harmony. Now, if you look at a color on the wheel and you go directly opposite, it's a complementary color. So yellow and violet, or a split complement would be yellow, red, violet, blue, violet. As floral designers, we often work in a split complementary color scheme because so many of our flowers are not just violet. They may be red, violet, blue, violet, and they look fabulous with yellow on the opposite side of the wheel. Now, analogous is yet another harmony. In analogous, you look at your wheel and you pick adjacent colors that form a 90-degree angle. So the yellows over to the red-orange, or maybe the violets into the blues, or pinks to lavenders and purples. It's an analogous color harmony. You oftentimes think of it as being spring colors or feminine colors, or fall colors and masculine colors, to the pinks to the purples, or the yellows to the oranges. But any 90-degree section of the color wheel gives you an analogous color harmony. Now, what if you're looking at it and you think, oh, I love all the colors, I want them all. And Mother Nature gives us such a vast spectrum of flowers to choose from, and they do look beautiful together. So what do you call it when you use a lot of different colors? Would be different from monochromatic, mono meaning one color, and this one is polychromatic, poly meaning many colors, and in definition it needs to be 5 or more colors in one design. So here I've got the red, the purple, the yellow, the green, the orange, and blue. 5 or more colors all together to create a beautiful polychromatic bouquet. So many different harmonies that can look fabulous together. And as you all know, when you mix colors poorly, it can look dreadful. In this series, we'll be doing a study to create designs that always look fabulous. And when you think, what do I need to do? You'll need to go back to your color wheel and you'll know just what to do to create the perfect color harmony. In future issues, we'll look at each of these color harmonies and more, with an in-depth study on color harmonies and color theories. If you'd like your own color wheel to follow along with as we go through these studies, feel free to email me. I have a limited quantity of free, yes, absolutely free, no shipping, no handling, no charge color wheels for you that are joining us in the Color Theory Study Group. Just send me an email. Be sure to include your name and your mailing address, and I'll send you back your own color wheel so that you can follow along with us. Now my email, it's Leanne, Leanne, at floraldesigninstitute.com. Be sure to include your name and your full mailing address. And as long as we still got them in stock, which we have a huge stack, so I'm sure we'll have one for you, crossing my fingers, but send me an email right away and I'll send you your very own color wheel to use in our color theory studies. Oh, what fun! The study of color theory. Now you know just enough to be dangerous. Be sure to join us for the future issues. You'll learn so much more. If you'd like more creative inspiration, or if you need more technique instruction, check out our website, flowerschool.com. If you've got questions, give me a call at 1-800-819-8089, or feel free to use my email. And don't forget, if you want the color wheel, just email me your name and address at Leanne, Leanne, at floraldesigninstitute.com. For now, I wish you all a colorful life. Have fun and do something you love.